In the last two videos we assembled the IKEA wardrobe columns and the sliding doors. So if you didn't watch it, go check it out. In this video we're going to assemble and mount the drawers, the big ones and the jewelry drawer. I'm going to start by assembling the clothing drawer. I ordered 6, 3 for each side, and the assembling is quite simple. After the first one you'll be a pro putting the pieces together. As always, I start by organizing the pieces, and the piece in the middle, the front piece, is our starting point. Lay down the accessories and grab the wood connectors. You'll need to. Put them in the middle hole, using the finger to apply pressure. Then, grab 4 screws like these ones and screw them using the holes available in the piece. By the way, I use the screwdriver in level 5. Next, grab the bottom of the drawer and place the beige facing outside and the white facing the inside, like so. Then, slide the sides with the big holes facing the floor. Use these 2 white pieces in each side to secure the sides in place. Repeat the process in the other side. To finish the drawer, grab the back and mount it like I'm showing. And secure it in place using the white connectors. Two on each side, and if needed, use a hammer to help. The jewelry drawer comes already assembled. with only few accessories to mount it in place. So that being the case, let's start mounting all the drawers. I'll start by mounting the clothing drawers, and we'll need 2 sliders, 2 metal pieces, 2 plastic connectors and 4 screws. If you have an hinge door, you should mount the first drawer exactly where I'm mounting. If not, you can start as low as you want. It's up to you. Okay, screw the sliders in place. Secure the drawer behind in both sides. Put the metal accessory in place. And lock it with the white plastic screw. Then repeat the process for all the drawers you may have. Next, we're going to install this awesome jewelry drawer. The installation is almost the same, but in this one we have a white cover to blend in the drawer slider. So let's start by putting the white cover and then screw it in place. Screw the slide in the hole right above the drawer below. Pull the sliders out, install the drawer by locking it behind as well. And use the white screw to lock it in place. And it's done! Now let's use 2 of these shelves to improve even more the design. But first, enjoy the sound. Okay, next. Use the holder and put them in the holes of your desire. And screw them in place, leaving the plastic hook facing the ceiling. To finish, put the shelf on top. Repeat the process for all the shelves you may have. Now, to finish, we have to install the hanger rod, and an installation like this one I have never seen. We have 2 holders, 4 screws, and the rod itself. First, install the rod support. And then the hanger rod with the hole facing you. And it's finally done! If you haven't watched the other 2 videos of the IKEA PAX wardrobe, make sure you check them out. And if you found this video useful, make sure to like it and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.